Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the hard drive on the Dell Inspiron 2350 all-in-one PC. Here we go. Place the screen facing down on the surface. Then we can unscrew the 4 screws on each corner of the screen stand. We're also going to unscrew that central screw as well. Then we're going to be removing those 4 bigger screws on top. And we're also going to be removing this screw on that silver cover, and that will reveal the RAM. Now you're going to be able to gently remove that cover. Please note that the 2 screws on the right side, they are not going to be able to be removed from the cover. They will stay on that cover. You will be able to see the motherboard, the RAM, the processor, the hard drive, and everything else. Now, to remove the hard drive, you're going to have to take that small cable on the left side out of the way. Then you're going to have to unscrew those 4 screws which are holding the hard drive in place. Now you should be able to slide the hard drive to your right and remove the hard drive. Please note that the hard drive has this small plastic piece which is an adapter. You're gonna need that later when you connect the solid state drive. Now you're going to connect that adapter onto the solid state drive, and you can put the solid state drive in place.